Hello, so today I will show you how to make a waving flag. First you need to open Sony Vegas Pro 14. Then you need to get a waving flag texture. You can get those on YouTube or where else. And you will just download it. Then you need your flag that you will want to do. Then you just plug it in. You plug it in twice because you need two of them. One of them will control the shadow and the other one will control the distortion. Then you just delete the audio tracks since we don't need those. Then we put the flag layer at the bottom. I like this personal cloth texture because it loops. So if you play the video twice, you don't get ugly edges. From there you click on this button. The first one you can just do mask, and the second one you need to go to custom. Then you go to displacement map, click on that. In my experience you see already the distortion is very high now. You put it at about 0.010 for both of them. And then you have a flag. Now if you don't like the colors, you can also go to the video FX, go to color balance, just put it on the flag and change values here in case you want anything brighter or different. You can also replace the flag if you just click replace here, go to choose your other flag, do this, and then you have here the other flag. If you have a different displacement map and it uses color, you can also like do a black and white and fix it that way if it gives weird results. If your flag is too dark or not dark enough, you can also change the shadow map to make it lighter or darker. And that's it basically. I hope this tutorial was useful.